As AI has grown, more text-to-speech software options for cash cow YouTube videos have emerged. The only issue with some of these AI tools is that most sound robotic, and there are a few features to help you perfect your voiceovers. But not any longer. Things have changed dramatically since the introduction of Descript. This feature lets you clone your voice and use it in text-to-speech applications. Do you want to know how the feature works? Then this video is for you. Welcome to Debt Busters and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we'll review one of the best text-to-speech programs available. We will inform you about its features, pricing, and even how to clone your voice so you can use it as a voiceover. So watch this video through to the end to find out everything. You might notice the topics of the videos are coming from conversations I have with viewers in the comments section or from polls in the community post. So be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what kind of content you'd like to see. Subscribe and turn on the post notification. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Descript appeared on the scene a few years ago as an entirely new approach to audio editing. For anyone working on podcasts, it's a different way of doing things than traditional complex audio tools. It is a collaborative audio and video editor with features like transcription, screen recording, publishing, full multi-track editing, and even AI tools. The editing tool, which is a podcaster's holy grail, allows users to record, edit, and mix audio and transcribe it. Descript offers an online web-based solution, a desktop application, remote recording, and filler word removal and overdub for the editing feature. In terms of group work, the screen recording feature instantly transcribes audio, and Descript gives you a link to a website where you and your group members can comment and make changes. The overdub feature enables users to create a text-to-speech model of their voice, which can then be published as audiograms for a variety of purposes, including social media marketing. Descript's interactive tutorial project, which includes a series of quick lessons to help users get the most out of the collaborative editor, distinguishes it from many other podcast apps. This includes audio and video editing tutorials, screen recordings, and meeting note transcription. To get started with Descript, users must first download the software and create an account. Following the sign-up process, there is a brief survey to determine how the platform will be used. Ctrl+Shift+2 is the shortcut for starting and stopping the screen recording tool. It not only captures video from the desktop, but also from webcams. The screen recorder appears in its window, separate from the main Descript editing app. With a single click, the user can remove unwanted sounds from screen recordings, such as ums and ahs. Concerning errors in Descript's transcription, once the desired audio has been imported, there is a glossary where frequently used words can be added so that the software recognizes it in the future. However, this is only useful for audio files transcribed after adding specific words or names to the glossary. The user will still have to correct each error manually. That being said, this tool significantly reduces the time it would normally take to transcribe audio manually, even more so once the user becomes accustomed to all keyboard shortcuts. In terms of transcription accuracy, we would compare Descript's use of Google Cloud's speech-to-text technology to that of Amazon Polly or Balamolka's free software. Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you made $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. When you start a new project, the video/audio drag and drop feature in Descript isn't your only option. There is also the option of recording audio on Descript, which the software can transcribe simultaneously. When a new voice is introduced in the recording, you can add inline notes, comments, and speaker labels. One of the newest features is the Overdub 3.0 voice cloning technology, which lets you quickly fix podcasts and screen recordings by typing in the change and getting a high-quality voiceover. This fundamentally alters how people capture content. Its one-click noise removal and audio enhancement features eliminate the need for an actual studio to record professional-sounding audio for your podcast, even with just a laptop mic. Descript also launched its full effects suite for audio pros, which includes auto-leveling, loudness normalization, root tone, ducking, and a full suite of creative and quality effects such as compression, EQ, reverb, and more. A lot of you might be wondering what the heck is ducking. According to VideoStudioPro.com, audio ducking is used to automatically lower the volume of one track so that you can hear another track better. Descript's script-based editing feature has also been improved with a new inspector, script track duration, minimap, resize word gap, and timeline improvements. Descript also improved its media collaboration and sharing offering. It now includes a screen recorder with transcripts, faster exports, instant editing, and the ability to customize the thumbnails on shared videos. It also enables the publication of video page analytics with view counts. Overdub custom voices are only available to those with a Descript Pro or Enterprise account, because uploading existing recordings to train your overdub voice necessitates manual voice identity verification. This is the case. Pro users must read the Descript's training script to ensure that the voice being created belongs to the user. Overdubbing is listening to a previously recorded passage and recording new audio over the top, making mixing tracking much smoother. In some ways, it is similar to multi-tracking features found in audio editing software such as Adobe Audition. Descript Pro users must record a consent statement and an overdub main training script for at least 10 minutes to be eligible for overdub training. This is required to pass the voice verification process, so don't share your Pro or Enterprise account with friends and family. It won't work. Descript has a free plan for recording your screen, but you can only edit it a little, and you can only use the transcription once. At $12 per month, the company's creator plan grants access to unlimited projects, screen recording, 10 hours of transcription per month, and watermark-free video export. For those who need more than a basic editor tool, Descript's Pro plan costs $24 per month and includes everything the creator plan does while increasing the transcription limit to 30 hours per month. This strategy also enables the overdub feature. There is one more plan, Enterprise, which includes everything in the other plans: onboarding and training, invoicing, single sign-on, SSO, and a security review feature. Enterprise customers, students, educators, and non-profit organizations can utilize Descript's discounted rates. We'll now show you how to add your voice to Descript, and we'll try to generate a text-to-speech voiceover and drop it into one of our YouTube videos to see if it sounds natural. For this tutorial, we will use the free version of the Pro plan, which costs around $24 per month and includes unlimited vocabulary. Click the link in the description to register an account today. After you sign up for it, you must download the app, which looks like this. On this page, click the blue Create New Voice button to create your voice. You'll be asked to type in how you want to name your voice immediately. Type in the name and then click Confirm. A new page will appear immediately, where you will record your voice. They provide training scripts up to 30 minutes long, but Descript recommends at least 10-minute reads for your AI voice. Aside from directly recording your voice, you can also upload a sound clip of yourself speaking for at least 10 minutes. If you are already a YouTuber and are using your real voice in some of your videos, you can choose to use one of your clips, and then using an editor like Final Cut Pro, you can export the audio only. Fortunately, I have audio clips from older videos on this channel where I was using my own voice. I'll play one for you now.
It's a great day for content creation. Hey debt bullies, welcome to Debt Busters, where we give you YouTube automation, online video editor, and content creation knowledge to give your competition the beating they deserve. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Tube Mastery and Monetization Review. I'm going to tell you what Tube Mastery and Monetization is, give you information on Matt Parr, its creator, and help you decide whether or not the course is for you.
Once you have your 10-minute recording clip, convert it to a WAV file and drag and drop it into Descript. Once you've pasted it, the next step is to select your transcription language and then press the transcribe button. After a few seconds, the AI will complete your transcription. Once generated, run a quick scan to ensure that the transcription is correct. If everything is in order, the next step is to click the blue button labeled Submit Training Data, after which you will be asked to record yourself saying this consent form. This is like signing, but instead of writing, we are using our voice. How amazing is that? We are unquestionably living in the future. When you finish the recording, you'll get a message saying that your voice is being trained and that they'll email you when it's finished. Based on our previous experience with this software, we estimate that your voice will be trained in 2 to 24 hours. When your voice is finished training, you will be notified via email that your overdub voice is ready. To hear how the voice generated sounds, all you have to do is start a new project, which you can do by clicking on this blue button labeled New Project. You'll be directed to a new page where you can type in whatever you want your voice to say. To select yourself as the speaker, click Speaker, and then search for the voice you saved. Once you've chosen your voice, it will take a few seconds to generate the audio, after which you can listen to it by pressing the play button. I think I'll have it say it's a great day for content creation. We'll generate the voiceover and see how much the cloned voice sounds like mine.
It's a great day for content creation.
We noticed that the generated voice doesn't quite sound exactly like how the person would sound in real life. We also noticed that when we add an exclamation mark at the end of the sentence, the voice sounds the same as if the exclamation mark doesn't exist. After comparing the generated voice with the original, we notice a slight difference between the two voices. The original speaker is likely the only one who can detect the difference. The audience would need help noticing. The difference between the generated and original voice is that the inflection, in our opinion, isn't quite right. I'm sure you guys will let me know what you think in the comments. Descript is a fantastic tool that can help you with your editing. It works well, is simple to use, and the user interface is neat, well-organized, and easy to understand. Descript guarantees that your personal information will not be used for marketing purposes. One criticism we have for Descript is that the user interface could be better. It can be challenging to navigate because everything is monochromatic. We recommend that they use brighter colors so that people can easily navigate. Overall, Descript is an excellent text-to-speech tool. We'd love to hear what you think about this. Which Descript feature did you enjoy the most and why? Comment down below. Let's engage. Are you ready to take your YouTube earnings to the next level? If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how to make money with YouTube cash cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you the secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know the secret text-to-speech software no one is talking about. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing how to create your videos using AI video generator. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know how to create your videos using AI video generator. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.